Glossary page 5 Physics 10th class. Question 1. What is the source of sound waves? Answer. Vibrating particles. Question 2. What is the charge of protons? Answer. Positive. Question 3. What does the timbre describe? Answer. Characteristics of sounds. Question 4. What are radio waves used for? Answer. Wireless communication. Question 5. What is the purpose of radiometric dating? Answer. To determine an object's age. Question 6. What are radioisotopes? Answer. Unstable atomic communication. Question 7. What happens during reflections of light? Answer. Light bounces back. Question 8. What is refraction of light? Answer. Change in direction in a new medium. Question 9. What does refractive index measure? Answer. Ratio of light speed in media. Question 10. What is resistivity? Answer. Resistance per unit length. Question 11. What is a resistor used for? Answer. Limiting electrical current. Question 12. What are secondary storage devices? Answer. Floppy disk and USB-S. Question 13. What is self-induction? Answer. Inducing current in the same coil. Question 14. What is simple harmonic motion? Answer. Oscillatory motion under restoring force. Question 15. What is the role of a simple microscope? Answer. To magnify objects. Question 16. What is a simple pendulum made of? Answer. Mass on a flexible string. Question 17. What is software? Answer. A mass on a flexible string. Question 18. How are sound waves classified? Answer. Longitudinal waves. Question 19. What is the refraction in a sound wave? Answer. Point of low pressure. Question 20. What is the speed of sound in air? Answer. 343 meter per second. Question 21. What is the speed of sound in water? Answer. 1481 meter per second. Question 22. What happens during the reflection of waves? Answer. Wave bounces back. Question 23. What is the effect of a vacuum on sound waves? Answer. Sound cannot propagate. Question 25. What does a projector do? Answer. Projects light onto a screen. Question 26. What happens in the refractions of wave? Answer. Waves change direction. Question 27. What is the medium for sound waves? Answer. Elastic medium. Question 28. Which property defines the intensity of light? Answer. Wavelength. Question 29. What happens to sound speed in solids? Answer. It speeds up. Question 30. What law does simple harmonic motion obey? Answer. Hooke's law.